Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the construction of the new Parliament building in Jamaica. Now this is National Heroes Circle, and this is where the new Parliament building will be built. Now this is a massive piece of land, huge, and it's strategically located. It's a National Heroes Circle. On one side you have Woolmore's Boys School, on the other side you have the Ministries of Finance, Education and Local Government. On the other side you have Crossroads, and then you have downtown. So it is the site chosen to build a new Parliament building. Now currently the Jamaican government meets at Garden House, but it's an old building and it has outgrown its use. So a new building is to be built here, and they're also going to include buildings for the other government ministries in the area. So this is a mega project for Jamaica. Now we're going to go through an article giving you an update on what's going on. Bids submitted to undertake construction of the new House of Parliament are currently being evaluated, Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness said. He advised that the intention is to break ground in the first quarter of 2023-24 and start construction by the second, citing June 2025 as the estimated completion timeline. The new Parliament building will become the fulcrum of development to transform downtown Kingston. I will be declaring the Parliament construction a national strategic project to signal the importance and priority nature of the project, Mr. Holness said. He was making his contribution to the 2023-24 budget debate in the House of Representatives. Mr. Holness said the vision of independent Jamaica's founding fathers was that National Heroes Park would become the administrative seat of government, with the Parliament at the center and ministries and civic buildings surrounding the new office. The intention to do this was clear with the location of the Ministries of Finance, Social Security and Education. Like so many of our national visions and plans, we have been distracted, diverted, indecisive, or just incapable of turning vision into reality, not realizing that the longer we wait, the harder it is to get done. Let us be the generation of Jamaicans who get things done, the Prime Minister said. The Urban Development Corporation will manage the construction of the new Houses of Parliament building at National Heroes Park. Alright, so that's the end of the update. Now, I think this is a very good project. Very good. I mean, downtown Kingston is in the process of being transformed. So if you can put the new Parliament building here, it will definitely transform the entire area. The Ministry of Education building is old. Tear it down when the new one is built. Put something else there. Ministry of Social Security and Finance, same thing. Build a new building for them and tear down the old ones and do something with it. Now, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has a beautiful building in downtown Kingston. It sits on the waterfront. That is the model for which all government ministries should follow. Build buildings like that for those government ministries. And another benefit you would get is, instead of having 5 buildings dedicated to a government ministry around Kingston, you could have one building. Administratively, it would be easier. Cost-wise, you wouldn't have to be paying security and light and water for 5 different buildings. Everything would be in one building. So I think it's good. And the government of Jamaica needs a new parliament building. Jamaica is progressing. It is definitely progressing. We have a first world road infrastructure coming. Some of it is done already, but the plans. So you're going to be expanding Jamaica. You have hotels. Jamaica is growing, and the government needs a proper building. This will be a huge project. Now, I'm not sure how people calculate timelines in Jamaica, but there's no way this building is going to be built by 2025. It will be built, but just not 2025. We all know that. However, I'm just curious as to how these deadlines are created. I mean, the road projects, oh my God, the deadlines are just so unrealistic. I mean, the building will be built, but there is no way, not even with China Harbour Engineering Company doing the work, could these buildings be built. We're in 2023 now. I'll call it the end of 2023. So you have 2024, 25, 24 months. No way. But we will keep you guys updated. I shouldn't say no way. Okay, that's the Ministry of Finance there that you're looking at. I shouldn't say no way. Let me rephrase it. It's highly unlikely that this project will be finished by 2025. But of course, we'll keep you guys updated. But this is a massive piece of land, and I think this is a very good use for the land. Now, just to point out, there is a part for National Heroes Park where the national heroes are buried. That section will not be interfered with. It has its own entrance. It's different from where we are. If we turn down this road, you go down to that section. It won't be interfered with. That section is fine. It is this section where the land is empty. Nothing will be displaced. Here they use it as to teach people how to drive, and a parking lot for the Ministry of Finance. So nothing will be disturbed. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project. And guys, let us know what you think about this project and also the timeline. All right, guys, have a good day.